Single file line. For it is a quiet place, single file line. Let's see what's up. Maybe they have to squeeze us all in this whole time. Oh, this looks like Chucky, the Chucky Woods from last year. Meow. What is this, Megan again? Oh, it's Megan. Oh, I thought it was Megan. Oh, sign language. Oh, we're supposed to be quiet, I think. This is a quiet place. It's supposed to be quiet. I hear noises. Oh, that's an old man. It's an old man. It's an old man. Oh, what is that? Check it. Oh my god. Oh, now we're going into the house. Oh, this is so... It scared me so quiet. Okay. There's stairs. There's stairs. There's walls. It's just noises. It's just noises at this point. Let's see what we get in here. It's just darkness and noises at this point. Oh man, it came out, but no. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. What is this? Oh, there's a water tower. Oh, this is more like telling a story. No, my god, it's just oh my god, it's just a regular people. Scary. There's ropes. There's ropes over here. Oh man. Oh, I can see that. It's just in the darkness. This kid is on a respirator. And then, oh no! My goodness! That's really cool. Oh, it's a guy back there. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, are those real people? Oh, God! They're like real people up there. Oh shoot! Those are really cool though. Like, oh man! I don't know what. Oh my god! Oh my god! This seizure warning. Oh, that was good. That one was good. That was cool.